Hello, some recommends. As you know that you are watching AJ Developer, and in the previous video I talked about assessor, the laravel function. So in this video today we will discuss Mutator. It is also a laravel function, how it works, and we will do a little example for it so that you might understand it well. So let's go. First, start your RAM, which I have done already, and open your browser now, and open your text editor with your project folder. And here you have to create a controller in here. For that, you will go to your project, okay, example, docs, and then your project. Sorry, your project. Here you will open cmd, and then in command you will write php artisan make controller, and then controller name, which will be, I think it should be similar to our work. It should be mutator. Okay, the function which we are going to perform. Mutator controller. Okay, press enter. Now controller is created successfully. Now go to your text editor and approach your newborn controller. Don't worry, it's my stepping. You will receive controller like this, okay? But then I've written a function with name n, and it will first take variable equals to new entry in a user1. You might remember that I register all users in user1, so I will use user1 for new entry. But don't forget to mention here that you are using app models and then your model name user, which is user1. Okay, and now you finish your function, which is r arrow. Write here the name of database table column name, okay, and AME name, which will be name first, and then my entry will be like uh, no, Wahab, okay, and then semicolon, and then the other entry will be r arrow, then email. Okay, it's in my database table. Okay, and then Wahab @gmail.com. It's a dummy data, remember? Semicolon, and then r arrow. It's a turn for password. Okay, password. Oh, sorry, password PASSWORD, and then password. It will be like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and semicolon after it. Now we will save the data in R. Okay, arrow save, which will be a function. Okay, semicolon at the end of it. Now we will make a route for it. go to your route folder and web.php. Here we will make a route for our mutator function. Okay, route, enter, colon, colon. It's a route for mutator. It should be get because we are getting data, and now first URL add, and secondly we have to tell him that which controller he will using. Okay, uh, it's a mutator controller. Copy it and then paste in your route, colon, colon, class, and then comma and single quote will describe the function in your controller. Okay, which is in. Copy and paste over here, and semicolon at the end. But always remember to declare your controller at the top of web.php. Okay, I've done already. PHP app HTTP controllers mutator controller controller. Okay, I think it's finished. Our route is done. Controller, yes. Now save it and approach this URL in your browser. Open your browser and write local host. It will be like auth, auth, and then our route name. Press enter. Here, oh sorry, maximize it. He's saying that column not found, password in the field. Okay, now we will see where is the error. We will go, yes, password. It's my bad, and let's cancel it. Refresh our page. Yes, the data is inserted. To check it, local host, we will check it. Local host, oh sorry, the local host, local host php my admin. And now here we will open auth package and user. We have just registered Wahab at the Gmail. As you can see, if uh, if if someone says that alter it for registering it in database, then you will do like I'm doing. Okay, you are registering in user one, so you have to go to same model and make a public function over here. Function, if you unsee, yeah, see it's my spelling mistake, and the function name will be get in was get in get and then name and then attribute. Get in is was in accessor, in mutator it will be set. Okay, and then name, I will change the name first, and then attribute, ATTRIBUTS, attribute, sorry, boot. It's a function, and then curly braces at the end. We will press enter, and here we will say $sign this arrow attribute ATTRIBUTES attribute, which is name. Okay, name name, and which will be equal to our value which will pass here, which will be like you can pass value, and then and it and we will use the value over here. Okay, dot $value, $value. Now I will tell you what I'm going to change. If your client or your boss say that I want Mr. before the name before registering, so you can't stop your traffic, so you have to apply on your model. Then you will double quote MR and then quote your and enter semicolon at the end. I think done. Let's check. Register on another person. Wahab one. Wahab one. Let's re-register him. Go to your browser and add once again. It is added. See, you can see Mr. MR. We haven't done in name, but it is with Mr. Wahab. So if you want to make space, if you want to make space, it will be like dot Mr. dot Wahab. Okay, and let's register once again. Save it. Go to your controller. Let's do Wahab. Wahab. Save it and delete the previous data. Wahab. Okay. Now refresh the page and the data is inserted. Wahab. Mr. Wahab. See, if you want to change email, then you will make another attribute. Okay, like this. Enter, paste, and here you will use. Oh, sorry, my bad. My bad. What is happening? Yeah, here you will write email and attribute Mr. and here this is the name of column which you will change. Okay, and email over here. Okay, you will register Mr. before your mail. Let's register one other Wahab 3 save it and then go to your project, refresh it, add, enter. The data is entered. Sorry. See, if you want to do other functionality like want to show some words, you can use SPSTR function. You will get all the function on W3 school, so don't worry. This is how you perform your mutator function. If you want to add some words before inserting the data, means dynamically user first you made the project like this, and after some 2 3 days your boss say that I want Mr. So you will not stop the project or running a website. You will just add the mutator in the similar model. Okay, like this. I hope you can understand it well. If you don't understand, then question me in the comment section below. In the next video, I will inshallah ta'ala cover stepping. What is stepping in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.